Nabubulol ako.
Think about styles meets ZAM
The ZAM
Adventures.
Adventures! Na yung blooper. Hello! Welcome back to our channel, Think About Styles. We are going to Balboa Park today. Hi, baby! And we have Tofi here as our guest. Guest of honor. Guest of honor. Yeah, so we're on our way to Balboa Park. So this is my second time, and this is Bebe's first time in Balboa. So we are here.
You've arrived.
We have arrived. So we're just gonna find a parking. Hold on, Mom. Anyway, I'm gonna film this later. Alright, that's it. And then we're going home now.
No.
Just kidding. Hi, say hi. Do you like that umbrella?
Mommy, I like doing that. I do this with umbrellas.
Baby love. With your umbrella.
Sampu
Sampu
lang,
lang po, sampu. Sampu lang umbrella.
Wait, there's lots of places here,
Yeah, there's a lot, James.
even if it's split apart.
Just be careful, okay? Laki, no? They're big. They look so healthy.
Ano yung gold?
Ganun din, carpa din siya. Yeah. Goldfish. Ano daw to? There's a golden one which is really shiny right now. Tinanong ni Tofi. Anong klaseng isda yan? Gold. Anong klaseng isda yung gold? Di goldfish. Mahulog ka. So funny. Baka kapag uminom ka nito, if you drink this, you'll have the powers of Mr. Miyagi. The power of Mr. Miyagi.
Who's that? Let me do that.
That's a bonsai, Jamie. That is
That's
a small tree. Yeah, it's a small tree. Mommy used to have one, but it's hard to maintain. bebe. Birthday girl. Hello.
Happy birthday, girl.
Birthday girl. Hello. James. Jane, hello.
Hello.
We're wondering what's inside, Mommy.
Okay.
Which one?
Now it's
The botanical.
Nasaan na si Coco? Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
It's gonna go on fire. Okay, now can I go back?
Wanna try?
Good morning from the Styles. So we are going to Dana Point Baby Beach
With Zane.
with Zane and with it's ZAM Adventures.
Adventures.
With Zam. Ulit nga, nabubulol ako.
Think about styles meets ZAM
ZAM
Adventures.
Adventures. Yeah. So Jamie, how are you there?
You excited?
Yeah, but I just want to do a swimming lesson.
Swimming lesson?
Yeah.
Why?
Because
Oh yeah, we're gonna swim. If it's not too cold, then it's okay.
But could you get Zane?
Of course, yeah.
Wait, you got this one.
Yes, the swimsuit.
You got it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but the other one isn't inside of your pants.
Okay. So we are heading to Dana Point today. It's a beautiful sunny day, but it's 61 degrees. Sunny but a little cold, a little chilly, but it's not too cold. Yeah, for California, it's 60 is cold.
Once it reaches the 50-ish, 50 to 60.
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's really cold.
What about if it's 10?
Oh, that's really cold, Jamie. That's negative already. That's negative in Canada. Hello, we are here at Dana Point. It is a beach, baby beach, right? Baby beach. And it's
Where's
been
actually
a few
Taylor?
hours.
She went to the
It's really
bathroom.
calm. Sunny
Again?
day. It's a sunny day, which is good. So we have the kids here.
Yeah, because I
too.
want to keep on.
That's for each one of you.
What are you doing, Jamie?
I'm losing my. Okay, let's go keep on playing. I just put it down in my.
Later we're gonna swim, okay? Give us a few minutes because we
Talked about this.
just finished setting up.
Wait, let me. How come we cannot just go in the water? Jumping all out.
Do you want me to get your no?
And some sand.
I need the sunblock.
You need a sunblock. Hello,
I have to get a reservation for
James. Jamie, hello.
Hello.
Hi, Zane.
From 30 to 1. So the
Happy
baby's
birthday,
gonna
girl.
enjoy
Hello.
the trouble of
Happy birthday.
Three, two, one, go! Wait, please go fast.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.